Today is the rainy day. It's too much rainy. Did you know the supermarket? The supermarket is full of water in underground. Also the Lister Cineflex. Because it is a rainy day. Rainy day. So waters appeared in the rain. So today is Friday. Friday has been turned into rainy day. It's a rainy season still, but August will be rainy season over. And this day I'm staying on my home to not go outside. If you got rain on your head, it will be make you sick into six. And and you know everything about rains and just call me this time and I will show many parts for you. Goodbye. It's a part 2.